Hey you guys, it's Dara, and today we have Ipsy. This is a regular glam bag. This retails for $10. I know here in Arizona you have to pay taxes now, so it's about 12. So yeah, I just have to remember. And so this is this month's bag. The one that was online showed orange, which I do prefer the green. So let's get into it. Ooh, this is so cute. So they teamed up with Tetris and did a collab. And the little zipper is a piece of Tetris. I have never been good at Tetris, so so first things first, you get your card. What is in here? Okay, this one pulls out. So let's take a look. First thing is by Hey Honey. I actually really like this brand. It's called Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovering Mask. It restores the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. Okay. It has rich antioxidants, restorative treatment, reviving dull and tired looking. For ingredients and directions, go to heyhoney.com. Okay. They say apply an even layer to your face and neck. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes while it soaks into the skin, and then wipe off any excess with a damp cloth. I gotta smell this. Ooh. No, take it back. Ooh. Feels really nice. Very thick. Just has like a slight sweet smell to it, which is really nice. Then we have a black volume cream water tapping system. So it helps reinforce skin elasticity while plumping, nourishing, and deeply hydrating your skin for a youthful, glowing look. To be honest, this doesn't feel very full. My roommate watches anime. Okay. There it is. And you can see it has like that grayish tint to it. You can't really see. Can you see it now? Has a grayish tint to it. It's very gel. Like no real like clean smell to it. Let's see. Apply a pea-sized dot to your forehead, nose, cheeks, chin, and then massage into your skin. Forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. It feels really nice. Okay. Then we have Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mud Cleanser. This is a deep purifying cleanser. This gentle yet active cleanser exfoliates and removes dead skin cells to feel more radiant, healthy skin for all skin types. It says to use AM and PM and massage for 30 seconds. I like their packaging with the lid. Really nice. Extra added touch. It's really thick. Very balmy. Very balmy. Okay. Got it. Now if I can get the lid back on. Next we have Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydration Primer. So this is different. This is actually a hydration primer, which probably not going to use too much of. It is a cream, but it seems like it's very thin. It has almost like a hairspray smell to it, but it feels really nice. Do you want me? The last but not least, we got the Ipsy and Tetris lip gloss and the shade Matrix. Okay. Okay. So this is a very white, a duochrome glittery lip gloss. Like it's really chunky glitter. It smells like coconuts, which I don't like. And yet I keep putting it on. So this one, it's very skincare based, which is like okay for me. But I would have liked more makeup products, to be honest. So I'm gonna give this like a 7 out of 10. This lip gloss is not there for me either. There's a reason why I didn't get napkins. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off. But so like I said, this is a $10 subscription depending on your state. You may need to pay taxes. I know we do. But again, I give it a 7 out of 10. Like it is very skincare oriented, which is kind of like on my end, but it is what it is. But yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video, which I will be doing pretty soon here. Got a little alert box to unbox. Sorry, I'm just like so out of it right now. But I will see you guys in the next video.